Okay, I'm editing right now. Just grab the camera because I realize it's gonna be 20 minutes. So you can just either sit down, grab something to eat, or maybe forward the clip because it's gonna be a long 20 minutes. It's gonna go boring. Sorry about that, but I just need to put it up there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm on a new place right now, editing at night. Yeah, nice place to edit. Yeah. Oh, bye. High five. How are you guys going? As you all know, I posted a video before regarding my bench wheel skateboard. Now this is what's left of the bench wheel skateboard. Actually, they're there. I had two motors for it. This is the battery, and the ESC needs to be replaced. So the ESC is the control for the motors. Where once you try to run your skateboard, it's gonna control it. Anyway, just gonna throw that there. And here's the skateboard itself. So I really like the deck. I like the form of it, and I want to use it. So I removed the motors, and here it is. So I look for parts that I can put in here. That way I can still use it as a skateboard, as an electric skateboard. I can use it as a skateboard now, but I want to use it as an electric skateboard, as I usually did. So what I did was I ordered some parts from this company called wowgo. They have their own DIY parts. They have the good Chinese skateboards, electric skateboards I meant, available now in the market. And the thing is, yeah, I ordered some parts, and yeah, I got the full set. Then I got some extra wheels. So placed the order, took a long time, waited for it. Now it's here. So first of all, I have this old deck from them. It's from JM. He gave it to me, so I might use this because I like the small deck for a while, and I can use my own deck. I can just swap it, because the good thing about that board is you can get the parts and swap decks, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I bought some parts. I bought the new ones has replaceable wheels. So here are the wheels. Here are the wheels. The tires, I meant tires from the back. So I got 4 instead of 2 because you get places at the back wheels. And then I got an extra charger. Got 2 chargers, one for work and one here in the house. Here's the remote that I ordered. Got a free hanger. Thanks, wowgo. And we have the skate tool, and ordered some extra cables for the battery, because the thing is I want to swap decks, and I just want to have the cables there stuck there, and I don't need to worry. And yeah, the thing is JM got it for me. He ordered through the website, through his account, and also wowgo gave him a KT board, which is a kicktail board. Apparently when the board arrived, it was already assembled to his deck. Here it is. Here, oh, it's good. So here it is, the wowgo KT. So my problem now is this deck is not mine. I can't use it because it's JM's. The internals, like the electricals, this one and this one, needs to go to my board. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disassemble this one here and move it to my board. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, by the way, I got extra things for this board also. Hold on. Okay, the DIY set that you get from wowgo includes the ESC, which controls the motor, and 2 motors here, the tires, the trucks and the hanger, front trucks and the hanger and the wheels, the whole set. All you need is a deck to place all these things. There, this is the battery compartment, and yeah, so when you try to get the set, it's going to include this. But I've seen a lot of forums. But I've seen a lot of yeah, this is what's included in the whole DIY set. Thing is, I've seen a lot of forums which says that these trucks here are not that good. You can upgrade them. So like, what? Upgrade? That's so cool. So I talked to my friend JM, and I went online, and I found out that these trucks, the Paris V2, are good for this board. So yeah, I asked some people who know skateboard because I have no idea. I don't know how to skate really. But yeah, I asked a lot of people and asked for their opinion on what to do, and yeah, they said this. The good thing about these trucks here are they're not that expensive. They're good, and when you look at the board here, this board has green, I don't know, bearings, so it's gonna match this green trucks. It's a good waste of time. Now I'm just gonna try to disassemble this one here and place it to my board. So it's gonna be a long video, so just stay there and relax. I'm just gonna forward this now. Okay, first thing I was gonna do is I'm just gonna put the wirings in here and then put on the grip tape and then put on the trucks. The problem now is I don't know which part is for the battery and which part is for the ESC. So I think this is for the battery, but I just want to be sure because the battery should have this tip here. It should be protected, but I don't know. So I'll put in the other board now. Okay, okay. So I was supposed to prepare the other board, but right now I need to open up the battery compartment. Just gonna do it. So it's the front part. Because I was right, this is the connection for the battery, because the battery should have a safe point of contact, and unlike this wherein yeah, you could put something in here and it's gonna short it out. So yeah, battery safety tip should look like this, not the one like this. It's not focusing because my face is there. Let's do it again. So pathetic. This one here should be the one to the motor, and it's not fucking focusing because my face is there. Let's do it again. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to cover my face, that way it's gonna focus on it. This one here is for the battery. No, this one here goes to the battery, and this one here goes to the ESC, because the battery should be protected. If it's a live wire, it should be protected like this. You can stuck a metal thingy here, and it's gonna short it. So that's it. I was right. Just gonna put gaffer tape over there. So where the fuck is my gaffer tape? So place the cables, the holes here, because we used to put something on this this one here. But yeah, here's the deck. I'm gonna put in the, I forgot the name, the grip tape. Let's put in the grip tape. Okay, since James coming over, so I'm just gonna disassemble this shit out and just prepare them out. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just trying to remove all the components out. Being patient to remove them one by one. I want to have an electric screwdriver now, but I have to do this right. I'm really impatient, but we should finish it fast because James is coming over. So this stick belongs to JM and the components belongs to me. Okay. all good. Should move spacer off. Here's the deck. Here's the components. Yeah, boy. We'll put the Paris trucks, place them. Yep, let's do this. For my grip tapes, and I think it's in the office. I think it's on my desk. I'm not sure if it's here or I don't know, because I have another grip tape, but I don't want to use it for this board, so I'm just gonna put it directly in this board and see how it goes. Just gonna remove this truck here. It's so annoying when you try to record and you're on a lav mic and then you didn't record any audio. So yeah, it sucks. Anyway, my other board, which was from JM, was originally from wowgo. It had a short distance from here to the back truck. So whenever I put in the back truck or the motors here, the wires are gonna fold and I don't want it. I'm OCD. So I decided not to put it there and put it on my bench wheel board. My bench wheel board is, started putting on Paris trucks and put holes on it. And yeah, it's tough when you're trying to put holes on your skateboard and you don't have any drill bits. Yes, just imagine I had to make a lot of drillings and everything else. Damn. But yeah, it's all good. I'm gonna put it up together. I'm just gonna throw this garbage out here and see how it goes. Okay, before I put the board together, I'm gonna show you the drillings I did. So there's a lot of holes here. I'm gonna cover the old holes with I forgot where I placed it. Oh, with epoxy. That's green. Here it is. So yeah, I wish to get this done today. That way I can ride it tomorrow. Yeah, let's put the motor first. I know it's kind of dark, but I hope you can see anything now. I'm a newbie with this. Oh shoot. So I did tape it all around. Now I'm putting in the screws to the board. Yes, hopefully I can ride this tonight. We might not know. Just need to make sure it's waterproof. And oops, make sure that the holes just fit. Yep, that's it. I was in the cold. It runs good, but had a minor wheel bite. Yeah, so I'm gonna put in the higher spacers, or what do you call this? Because yeah, I'm having wheel bites. Dangerous. Let's do this. So I finally had this thing fixed. I was supposed to have the other board into this component, the wowgo. Right now I place it on my bench wheel deck. So yeah, it looks good, rides good. At first, I placed a smaller, what you call this, spacer or spacer? I don't know. Yeah. So I put on a smaller spacer here. I had wheel bite, so I had to get the wheels higher. But after that, it was so good. Love it. So fast. And I'm so lazy to finish vlog, so I just had to shortcut and do this. And now I'll test this out. I'll see how it goes. Don't believe it's not a bench wheel. It's a wowgo. Yeah. And this board runs, they say it's gonna reach around 38 kilometers per hour, and the range of the battery here is from 22 to 25 kilometers. You can upgrade it to like 30 kilometers, bigger battery, or you can have the smaller one, the standard one, which goes around 18, 19. I'm not sure. You can just check it on a website. It's wowgo, and you can also get flight batteries, which goes around 7 kilometers. So they're airline safe, but yeah. So yeah, this is my board. I'll test it out. That's all for now. Good night. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Yeah. So I left my board here, and then I turned on the remote. I went inside to get my cam, and this board just zoomed all the way there, and it had 3 cable ties. Make it 2 cable ties that were destroyed. They were cut off. I don't know where my board has been, but that was really freaky. I went out and my board's not here already, because yeah, again, I went in and got my camera. So let's go test this out. Okay, currently in a bike lane right now, and I was supposed to get my drone to get a drone shot of me, but I got lazy. I even left my phone because I'm just so excited to ride this bad boy. It's really fast, and yeah, it eats out all the bumps. I'm really enjoying it. You see. It's so quiet, unlike my those belt-driven boards. They say it's much stronger with the torque, but yeah, the thing is, this board is awesome. Oh, it really fell. Yeah, this board is really awesome. It's so quiet, it's so good, it's so smooth, and the acceleration and everything else. And yeah, the tires are so big, not like those small bumps are just like, nah, okay? And yeah, so I recommend the wowgo board. Yeah, they're good. And I'm having my old deck here, but you can get decks from them. You can choose around 3. One for a longboard, one for a kicktail longboard, and a mini, which is very tiny. I like a mini, but it has no flex. Okay, so I'm just testing this out. Currently, I'm reclining, and yeah, I don't know how to show this. That's how it look, and we're still going uphill. Yeah, we're still going uphill. It is really awesome. I just wish I had a drone right now, but it's alright. I even left my cell phone back home. So yeah, I'm just so excited to ride today. Oh yeah, it's really good. It can bring me everywhere. Well, somebody tried to burn the tires here. Okay, so look at my board. Check it out. I love the color. Oops, I fell. Anyway, so yeah, that's all for today for the testing. I'll be heading home, and I'll be practicing more on this board because yeah, the thing is, yeah, I know how to ride a board already. I'm experienced, but the thing is, the feel of this one is more powerful. It's like shit. You can hear the wind. It's really fast now. Really fast as shit. And if ever I fall, it's gonna hurt. Anyway, have a good Wednesday, everyone. I don't have work today. I'll be working tomorrow. Shit. See ya. Okay, hi again. Just finished testing the board today, and yeah, I had fun with it. Thing is, I was trying it on the pavement, bit of jumps, and I fell. So it took my elbow. Just a small bruise. Anyway, I'm heading out now. I'm gonna try to sell some stuffs. So let's see how it goes. Yeah.